Wow, these wreaths are absolutely beautiful.
Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher.
Hey pen pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Shalomie, and today we're going to work on sprucing up my outdoor entryway space with those beautiful thrifted lampposts that I picked up at the Goodwill recently. So if this is something you want to see, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, here are the two lampposts that I thrifted last month that I showed you in a video. This is what they look like now. I'm getting ready to, fluff them up a little bit, add a little bit of life, as well as to make it cohesive with the decor that I have on the inside. So I'm definitely going to change these bows, if you can call them that, and fluff the bottom up a little bit, and then they're going to go outside on my front porch. I am going to be replacing the bows with these. So let's go ahead and add them, fluff the bottom up, and take them outside. I'm gonna go ahead and fluff these up a little bit. I'm even gonna check and see if I have some sprays and stems that I can probably add to the bottom here to add some life. Not sure how I feel about these pine cones, but I'm gonna leave them for now. I'm gonna add some other stuff, like I said, and see what that looks like. You gotta fluff it just like you fluff your Christmas tree, so you can get these branches straightened out and looking a little bit alive. Okay guys, so I have found these holly berry picks that I had from the Christmas warehouse sale. They already have small pieces of holly berries going through it, so I'm just going to cut these down a little bit and put it more so closer to the pole to add a little bit more color to it. All right guys, this is what they look like fluffed up with the additional berry picks in them. I'm gonna now go ahead and add the ribbons. One thing I think I'm gonna do with the ribbons, I think I may cut the tails down a little bit because the ribbon is consuming the whole thing. So I'm gonna put them on first, and then I may clip off some of the bottoms off the ribbon. All right, let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, so I'm gonna put my ribbon on. So I already have wires attached to the back of it, and I'm just gonna put it on and twist the wires around. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with the bows on, but I believe that they are way too long, so I am going to cut the tails off a little bit, shorten them, so that way they don't look as overpowering. I love, love, love the mix. I love that it is cohesive with the rest of the house, but I'm gonna take the tails down a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them to about half the length, so maybe right here, and see what that looks like. Yeah, I believe I like them better at this length. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the dovetails in it, and then we will be all done. All right, guys, this is what they look like, and I am definitely liking them better with the shorter tails. It looks a little bit more tailored and less overwhelming. So I'm gonna take them outside now and show you what the outdoors look like off the entrance to my home. All right, guys, I'm outside. I'm ready to decorate the door and the entryway. I put a cover up on because it's chilly out here, so I won't be here long. I am going to sweep all the leaves off. I do have a blower, but I don't feel like going to get it out right now. There's not that many leaves, so I'm just going to use the broom to broom it off, and then I'm going to start adding the lampposts. And I also have wreaths that I'll be putting on the door. Okay, guys, I have brought the two lampposts out. As you can see, I am going to use an extension cord to plug them in so we can have the light going. And what I'm going to do is I am going to plug it in and I'm going to run it under the mat. I may need a longer one, but let's just see what happens. The other extension cord was too short, so I went and got me one of these. That way I'm able to light both sides. Okay, guys, so I finally got them up and plugged in. Hate that you're seeing that orange cord. I might do something with it. I may wrap it or something. This side is fine. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our wreaths to the door. As you can see, I already have my wreath hangers up. Yeah, that's what greets you when you walk to the door. Deck the halls. All right, so I have these hangers from Walmart with the bows on them, simply gorge. And I am just going to add the wreaths to those, after which we will add our doormat and we will be done. All right, guys, so this is what my wreaths look like this year. Just green, super green, with the beautiful jewel piece I picked up from Hobby Lobby months ago, and I'm going in with the matching ribbon. All right, guys, so the wreaths are wreathing. Absolutely love the way they turned out. And it was real simple, guys. Like I said, all I did was I used just this is a regular wreath, and I just added the jewel and the bow to it using zip ties. And that's it. That's all I wanted on them for this year. But I believe they're absolutely gorgeous. Now we're just gonna put our mat down, and our entryway is ready for the holidays. So guys, as you can see, there's already a mat sitting there. That mat is always there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to sit this holiday one over it. I picked this one up from TJ Maxx and it was $16.99. And there you have it, guys. Our outdoor entryway space is ready to go, complete with the two lampposts, this beautiful welcome to our home holiday mat, and these absolutely beautiful wreaths with the bow hangers. And this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you found something in this video that you can use in your own holiday decorating. Thank you for taking the time to spend with me to look at what I'm doing for my outdoor space. And if this is your first time seeing my video, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It is real simple, guys. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also so that you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to my lovely penny pinchers, you already know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.